Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna guide you how you can add your TikTok account link to Facebook. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go and open TikTok application. Once you open the application, all you need to do is to tap on your profile, and here you will find the username. You need to tap on press for a long time and the username will be copied. Now you need to go back to Facebook now. So once you open Facebook, tap on your profile, then tap on edit profile. Here you need to scroll down where you will find links. So if you already added a link, you need to tap on edit, and right at the bottom you will find the option add a new link. So you need to tap on it, select TikTok, and here you need to paste your username that we copied already, and then tap on save. And as you can see, now the TikTok account link has been added to Facebook. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.